Hey everybody, so today I have some new to me summer fashion finds. I have some things from Amazon, from Banana Republic Factory, J. Crew, and a few more. I will also let you know at the end of the video what I ended up getting at the Nordstrom anniversary sale. So there's a lot to get into, so let's jump right into it. The first item that I'm sharing is this open stitch colored cardigan. This is from Maurice's. I'm wearing it in a size small. It comes in 4 different colors. It comes in the green that you're seeing, it comes in this cream that I'm wearing, it comes in black, and then also a rust color. They have regular and plus sizes, extra small through extra large. They're on sale right now for $17.45. The regular price is $34.99. I've seen these go on sale a couple of different times, so if it's not on sale when you check it, keep checking back. This sweater is made of 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. It is very soft. I have washed them already and they come out beautifully, no issues there at all. So I do think these are true to size. The extra small was just a little bit shorter from, in the overall length. So if you're petite or if you're shorter like I am, the extra small will definitely fit, but not a big difference between the extra small and the small. So I do think these are true to size. I think this is the perfect summer sweater. That's why I went back and got additional colors. You can see in the try on that I just paired it with a simple pair of Chino shorts. But I've worn it with yoga pants, I've worn it with dresses, I've worn it with a lot of different things. It's so versatile and I think it will go really well into fall and winter. You can just replace your tank top or your t-shirt with a long sleeve shirt. So great find, definitely wanted to share these with you guys. Okay, the next one is another lounge set from Amazon. I shared one the other week in my last Amazon video. I'll link that video down in the description if that's something you want to go back and watch. But this is a lounge set from the same brand, I believe, Arabesque. I'm wearing it in black. It comes in 15 different colors, sizes extra small through extra large. I'm wearing an extra small. I do suggest you size down in this. This is $31.19 today. And that's another thing I just want to mention, that Amazon's prices change all the time. So if the price is different when you go look at it, just know that Amazon, they change almost daily. So this is made of rayon. It's a rayon, polyester, and elastane mix. So if those are fabrics that you don't care for, just know that ahead of time. I will say this is a super soft set. Washes really well. I've washed it already. And what I like about this one, same as the one that I showed in my last Amazon video, is that you can take both pieces and wear them with different things. And you don't just have to wear them together. But it's soft and it is definitely petite friendly. I'm wearing the extra small, but I'm only 5 feet tall. So if you're petite or under 5'4", you can see that the length on me is just perfect. I love it. I don't have any issues with them being too long. But as I noted in my last video, I have found with Amazon that certain colors sometimes fit differently. I chose black because that's just my go-to color, but I did find the black to be especially petite friendly. So just note that if you are petite. Okay, number 3 and the next item on my list is this belt bag. This is also from Amazon. This belt bag comes in 15 different color options. It has 3 zipper pockets. It is $24.99 and I really like this belt bag because it looks a little bit dressier than your typical nylon. It's this faux leather, but what is so great about it is that it has 3 separate zippered pockets here. So you've got this big pocket and it does have credit card slots here, then a big open pocket, and then another zippered pocket on the outside, adjustable strap. And I went to Carowinds. I took my son to Carowinds this week, and so I used this and it was just perfect for what I needed at a theme park. So I definitely wanted to pass that on. Love that little belt bag and wanted to pass that on to you. Okay, item number 4 is another bag. This is a bucket bag. It comes in the cognac trim like I'm showing in the try on. but it also comes in a black trim as well. But I think this bag looks so expensive. It's $41.49. I think I did get it a little bit cheaper during Amazon Prime days, but I think it's such a great bag, and especially at the price. So it does have the closure here, and then inside it has this little organizer, and it is attached. This does not come out, but I do like that it's not just flopping around in there. So it has a little zipper and a side pocket inside that organizer there, and then you've got room on each side of it. You've got room on each side of it to put additional items, and then you can carry it by this, which I tend to do, or you can carry it crossbodied. It does have an adjustable crossbody strap if you want to wear it as a crossbody. And I am in love with this bucket bag. I might even go back and get it in the black, but just a great inexpensive find that I think looks really expensive, and it feels really nice quality. But if you're in the market, if that's something you're interested in, check that out. But I wanted to share that. Item number 5 is this beach V-neck hoodie from J. Crew Factory. I love a stripe. This one also comes in bright, well, it's hard to tell on the website, but it comes in a pink color. It looks bright. I did order it, I haven't gotten it yet, but it also comes in a tan. This comes in sizes extra, extra small through a 3X. I'm wearing a size small, and I do think it is true to size. If you want a more snug fit, you might want to size down, but it is a beach hoodie, and so I tend to want a little extra wiggle room in there, and it was perfect for that. Right now it is on sale for $45. The regular price is $79.50. This is 100% cotton. Like I said, it comes in a couple of different colors, but I do really like a stripe, and so I could not resist picking this one up and wanted to share that with you guys. The next item is a floral dress from Abercrombie & Fitch. This is a yellow floral, and if yellow isn't your thing, this might not be something that you're interested in, but I thought it was just so pretty, and it was on sale, so I got to pick it up. This dress does come in regular, petite, and tall. It also has 4 different patterns if yellow isn't your thing, but you're looking for this type of dress. I'm wearing a size 4 petite, and I do believe this is true to size. It is on sale right now for $74.80. The regular price is $110. This is made of 60% cotton, 40% polyester. The lining in it is 100% cotton. The straps are adjustable, and it does have pockets. I think this is such a beautiful fit. If you are petite, this fits perfectly, or at least it did on me in terms of length. As I mentioned, I'm only 5 feet tall, but I did not have any issues, did not have to hem it. Beautiful dress, so in love with it. Now, I did want to mention that I am not wearing a bra with the dress in this try-on, but it is bra friendly due to the wider straps and that it is adjustable. But I found that it was snug enough that I really didn't feel like I needed anything, but I also only have, I'm only a B cup on top. So just depending on how you feel about that, but I did want to mention that. But I do think it is bra friendly due to the straps. Something I wanted to mention before we move on to the next item is, I don't know if you guys know this, I didn't find this out, or I didn't learn this until this week, that if you take a picture that's from your phone, like a screenshot, let's say you found a dress that's no longer available on another website, you can load that picture on your Amazon mobile app, and Amazon will show you everything that they have, that they sell, that is similar, in some cases, maybe the same item. I did not know this. So last week when I was asking people what they would like to see on my channel in terms of topics, somebody mentioned that they would like to see more looks for less. So just out of curiosity, I took a picture of this dress, this yellow floral dress, and I loaded it onto Amazon, and it gave me a list of a bunch of different items that were very similar. And in one case, I found a dress that was so similar, and I wanted to share it here, but I couldn't get it here on time for this video. The print was different, but in terms of style, it had the same straps, looked very, very similar, and I thought it was such an incredible, I don't want to call it a dupe, but similar style. But I didn't include it because I didn't have it and I wasn't sure in terms of quality, if it was comparable, but that was something I didn't know you could do, and I think I was just fascinated by it. So I wanted to share that with you guys in case I ever show something that you like, but you're not willing to pay the price, or if it's too expensive for what you're looking for. Take a screenshot of that item and load it onto Amazon and see what comes up. It's really amazing. You guys are smart enough, you probably already know this. Sometimes I'm late to the party and don't know these things, but I thought it was great and wanted to pass that on to you. Item number 7 is a pair of jeans from Banana Republic Factory. This is their style they're calling the girlfriend jeans, and I briefly mentioned these in my last video, but wanted to share them again because I think if you like that girlfriend boyfriend style fit, this is a great one. These are also on sale for $35, regularly $70. And I've mentioned this before, but I love that fit because after years and years and years of skinny jeans and, you know, just being uncomfortable in jeans, I'm all about the looser fit. So these do come in regular and petite sizes 00 through 14. I'm wearing a 4 petite. I think they're definitely true to size. There are a couple of different wash/color options. However, they were a little bit limited in terms of the sizes that were left. This color that I'm showing you was the darkest wash, and in petite and regular, I think they had plenty of sizes left, but wanted to pass that on. I think the price is really good on those and they are very comfortable. So if that's something you're looking for, check that one out. Item number 8 is a pair of yoga pants from Amazon. And what I like about these is they look a little bit dressier than a typical yoga pant. They do have pockets. I really like the fit on these. They're a little bit more of a dressed up yoga pant, but these come in 13 different colors. These also come in petite sizes. So again, if you are petite or short, they've got you covered there. Sizes extra small through 3X. I'm wearing a small petite. I think they're true to size. You can see in the try on that there's no issues in the length there for me. The fabric on this is polyester and spandex, so wanted to make sure you knew that up front. So if you are not a fan of that fabric mix or that fabric content, wanted to let you know up front. These are $24.79. Again, prices on Amazon change all the time. That's the price that they were at the time that I'm making this video. But in the try on, I do have them paired with the same cardigan that I'm wearing today. And I really like them. I have even worn these to work, so wanted to share those with you guys as well. Item number 9 is a bracelet that I picked up from Amazon. I think this bracelet is very designer inspired. I love the little fake diamond details on it, but I'm not a fan of spending a ton of money on jewelry. I like jewelry that looks nice, but doesn't cost me a fortune. This does have an clasp that opens, so it's easy to get on and off. This one is gold plated. There are 6 metal options, so if gold is not your thing, you can also get it in silver and rose gold. It also has 3 different size options. I didn't measure my wrist. I got the largest size that they had, which was a 7.5, and I don't have any issues on it. It might be a slight big. If you don't like your bracelets to kind of slide up and down your wrist, you may want to size down to the smallest size. It doesn't bother me, but this bracelet is $13.49, and what I like about these is just to mix them with a different stack of bracelets. So wanted to pass that on. I really do like this. I think this was a good pickup from Amazon. Item number 10 is a gold earring hoop set that I picked up. These are brass and gold plated. It also comes with a huggy earring, which hopefully you can see. And I'm also wearing the earrings right now as well, but then it comes with 2 little huggies like you see right there. And the huggies just, there's no clasp on them, you just put them on your ear. But I love the smaller gold hoop earrings. And so I thought this was a good set to pick up. These were $9.99 and you get several different pairs. They also have a bunch of different styles that you can choose from if you wanted a little more design in your earring. There's some twisty type earrings, and then also some that have some, I think it's cubic zirconia, similar to what was in the bracelet. But I think this is a great set. If you're just looking for everyday earrings that won't cost you a fortune, this is a good set to take a look at. The last item that I wanted to share with you today is a pendant from Amazon, and this one did not come in time to do this video. I was so upset, but I didn't want to postpone the video waiting for the necklace. This is from Pavoy, I think that's the way you pronounce it, and I've purchased some jewelry from this brand on Amazon before and have been happy with it. And I do like the pendant. I like that kind of double embellishment pendant that's on there. I have another one that's similar. It's not from Amazon, but it's similar. So I picked this one up. It does come in yellow gold like I purchased, and then also comes in a white gold. It's 14 karat gold plated, and it is $13.95. So I wanted to mention what I ended up getting from the Nordstrom anniversary sale, and I ended up getting just a couple very few things, and one of them was the cut from the cloth girlfriend style jeans that I had mentioned in my Nordstrom video that I had my eye on. I ended up getting those. I ended up getting the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, and then I also ended up getting the Bobbi Brown moisturizer that I use every day. I decided just to go with the items that I love and use already because it is more of a value to me when I can get it for less and I know that I use it. I will tell you, I had a chance to go to the Nordstrom anniversary sale on the day that I was able to shop, which was the 15th. I happened to be in Charlotte. That's when I took my son to Carowinds, and I took a pit stop into the Nordstrom sale just to see what they had. I was not overly impressed with the things that they had on sale, especially in terms of clothes. They're just, and I'm sure a lot of it was already picked over, but it just, I don't know what I was expecting. Maybe I was expecting, you know, bells and whistles and balloons, and it wasn't that. So I'm very happy with the couple of things that I got. I also ended up getting, at the last minute, the Sigma makeup brush set, because I do love those brushes and would like a few more in my collection. So wanted to just mention what I got. I'm curious what you guys got. Let me know down in the comments. If you have any questions about the items that I shared with you today, please reach out. I'm happy to answer them. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, I'd love it if you would stay and subscribe to my channel, and I thank you for doing that. Hope to see you guys in the next video, and I'll talk to you soon.